Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus limits can seem tricky, but we will solve this specific graph problem in under 60 seconds using 3 simple steps. Let us get started now. First, look at the graph as x approaches 2 from the right side. The curve ends at an open circle at y equals 0, so the right-hand limit is 0. Next, find the limit as x approaches 1 from the left side. Following the line toward x equals 1, we see the y value approaches 1. The limit is 1. Finally, add these two values together to finish the problem. 0 plus 1 equals 1. This matches our first option perfectly, so we have found the correct final answer. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Don't confuse sides or skip closed dots, always verify open circles and read the axis.